Oh my god. Hi everyone, today I'm making a really easy no-bake pastry dessert called Paddini di arancia, or orange balls, which was invented by the nuns of the convent of San Carlo in the town of Arici in the province of Trapani. The nuns invented this pastry to make use of the leftover orange peels when they made orange marmalade, but they do recommend to use a whole orange, or like including the flesh of the orange for the recipe, so that's what I'll be using. Also, in a lot of these dishes that involve almonds, traditionally Sicilians would use 10% bitter almonds, but those are illegal in the United States. So the alternative we have is almond extract, which is actually made from the oil of bitter almonds and is legal. These are all the ingredients for the orange balls. This is rum that I got in Cuba, and it's actually really high quality, even though it's just their like cheap generic brand, but down there it's high quality. So first I'm combining the almonds, the sugar, and the half of a medium orange in the blender, and then I'm gonna blend it until the almonds are medium fine, I think it said. So I'm having trouble getting the orange to go down and blend. I probably should have put it in first. I'm not really sure what to do. This is kind of what's happening. Like, it's pretty much not moving in there because everything's so dry, but like that's because the orange isn't getting to the bottom. So I tried to bury it. I don't know. You can kind of see it over here. So I basically just kept opening the lid and mixing it with a spoon and trying to push the bigger pieces down, and now it is finally starting to blend. Now I'm adding in a tablespoon of rum and then a scant teaspoon of almond extract. Now that I mixed the ingredients in, I'm just sugaring a surface so that I can roll it out. So it's hard to tell, but I divided the dough into 2 sections, and now I'm just gonna roll it into a log. They said 1 1/4 inches, so I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it. So now that they're in log form, it says to cut into 1/4 inch pieces and then first cover the cut sides with sugar and then roll into a ball and then roll the whole thing with sugar. So I'm gonna coat the cut side, roll up, and then roll the whole thing with sugar. And then I'm just gonna line them up on the back of the cutting board. And now I just have to leave them out to dry for 3 hours. After that, it says to put them in little paper cups to store, but I don't have those, so I'll probably end up using parchment paper. As you can see, I ended up getting the little paper candy cups and putting them in this container, and then the recipe says to just store them in this airtight container for 3 to 4 days before serving. I'm not sure why you can't have them right away, but I will be staring every day, waiting. They look amazing. It's been 3 days since I made these orange balls, and now it's time to try one. Amazing. Everything you expect it to be. Very orangey. The rum flavor is nice. It's a high quality rum, and then it's rounded out with the almond flavor. Honestly, these are just perfect. Like, I could probably eat these all day and start feeling sick, but like I don't know, I wouldn't regret it. Oh my god. Thank you for joining me on this journey to make orange balls, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.